Over time, our kitchen cupboard door hinge has completely come out of the side of the cabinet. Now you can see I've tried to get that back up and working by putting some bits of toothpick in there and then screwing it back into the holes, but that just didn't stick. So I came across this product, and it is a metal plate that secures on all four corners. Now do be careful picking the right one. I made sure that the spacings of the holes in the centre were the same as the screw holes that I've got in the cabinet at the moment. I kind of put the thing in place here and then marked at the top where the centre line was, where I wanted the holes to line up. And then I used masking tape to hold it in place so that I could start screwing it into the side of the cabinet. Now it should really hold well because it's secured on four corners, whereas previously it was just on the two screws there. So once all four corners have been screwed into place, we'll just push the hinge back over. But what we need to do in this particular case is remove these plastic, they're like little raw plugs. We need to remove those because those aren't going to go through the holes in the fixing plate. One extra tip is to use something to kind of raise that cupboard up so that it's in the right alignment for when that's screwed into the fixing plate. Once that's screwed in, there is a little give. These things can slide up and down. I didn't want to screw these too far into the fixing plate, so what I did was wedge something in underneath so that those gaps were filled up. Now I did try this nut to begin with, that didn't stay in, but I eventually found that putting a screw underneath just fit in the gap nicely, and it stopped the whole thing slipping down. Now that's done, it feels really solid. I can see this lasting many years, so I'm really pleased that that's been sorted. If you've got any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.